This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by being clear and specific. Explain what you want and why. Show your parent the exact Robux amount and the dollar price so they don't guess. Once done, offer options. They can buy via their App Store account, use a gift card, or add family payment. Make sure your Roblox account details are ready and any parental controls visible, because clear information speeds approval and avoids confusion. You now guide them through the actual steps. Open Roblox, tap Robux, choose the package, and confirm via App Store or Google Play. If using a gift card, show how to redeem code in the Roblox website under Payment Settings. Once you demonstrate, suggest doing it together so they feel secure. Offer to enter passwords or handle confirmation while they watch, which builds trust and prevents mistakes. You finish by verifying the Robux balance and looking at the receipt. Take a screenshot for proof. If Robux don't appear, check payment history and transaction ID in the store, then restart the app and log out and back in. Make sure to keep the purchase email. If problems persist, suggest contacting Roblox or the store support and have the transaction details ready. This speeds resolution and avoids repeated attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.